Class 10th. In continuation with the chapter life processes, today we are going to discuss about glandular epithelium. We are starting with glandular epithelium. Many small glands present in the inner layer of the stomach and intestine take part in digestion of food. These glands are present in epithelial lining of the stomach and intestine. The glands present in different regions of the stomach are called gastric glands. They are responsible for the secretion of mucus, hydrochloric acid, and enzymes like pepsinogen. These glands present in epithelial lining of the small intestine and large intestine is called intestinal gland. And gland of small intestine are responsible for the secretion of intestinal juice and also called succus एंट्रिकस. ठीक है. Intestinal juice contain hormones, digestive enzyme, alkaline mucus, substances to neutralize HCl, right? And intestinal juices complete the digestion started by the pancreatic juice. Glands of large intestine are associated with the absorption of water and electrolytes. Now comes villi and microvilli, which are present in intestine. Complete digestion of absorption of food take place in small intestine. Pancreatic juice coming from the pancreas, bile from the liver, and intestinal juice secreted by the glands of intestine complete the digestion of food material. All the digested nutrients are absorbed by the long fiber-like projection present in the ileum of the small intestine, and these projections are called villi, and each villus has its cell membrane of the lumen side again folded into microscopic process called microvilli. Villi increases the internal surface area and available a greater surface area for absorption, right? आप यहाँ पर आप जो है आपकी इमेज है स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो आप विलाई एंड माइक्रोविलाई आप देख सकते हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट कम लीवर. Liver is also a gland, is the largest gland in human body. Liver in human is located in the upper right hand portion of the abdomen. This organ is dark reddish brown in color and this is due to extensive blood supply. Some of the important function of the liver are: it secretes bile juice that helps in digestion, it filters the blood coming from the digestive tract, it detoxifies various metabolites and drugs. The liver makes protein important for blood clotting and other functions. ठीक है. It stores and releases glucose as needed. It processes hemoglobin from the dead and worn out RBCs for the iron content. Right. Now comes digestive juices. बार बार हम पढ़ रहे हैं like pancreatic juice, bile, intestinal juice, they all are digestive juices. A common duct from digestive gland pours the secretion into duodenum. ठीक है. And in the duodenum the acidity of chyme is turned into alkaline by action of bile from the liver. This is necessary for pancreatic enzyme action. Bile also emulsifies the fat into globules. छोटे छोटे globules में convert कर देता है, emulsify कर देता है fat को bile. Trypsin and chymotrypsin are the proteases responsible for breakdown of proteins, and lipase is the enzyme which act on the emulsified fat and break down into glycerol and fatty acids. Smaller substances में convert कर देते हैं. Now we'll see the water absorption in large intestine. The large intestine is not involved in digestion of food or absorption of nutrient. The major function of the large intestine is to absorb water from the remaining indigestive food. The large intestine also helps in absorption of vitamin made by bacteria that normally live in the large intestine. And the innermost layer of the large intestine also act as the barrier to protect from microbial infection and invasion. Rectum store the undigested food temporarily until defecation. ठीक है. तो with this we have end our the alimentary canal, or we can say the digestive system of human being, right? And in next class we are going to start with respiration. Till then, thank you very much.